What I wish I knew about AI and using ChatGPT before I learned everything. Let me tell you why. If you're new to technology, don't worry. Richard Urshick's AI and ChatGPT for Beginners workshop is here to guide you. This isn't just another tutorial, it's a game changer. Imagine that in 6 months, not knowing how to use ChatGPT will be like not knowing how to use Google. Based on what you learn about using ChatGPT in Richard's exciting workshop, you'll not only be able to ask your boss for that raise you deserve, but you can also have ChatGPT write your perfect resume, including your new knowledge. Sign up now and invite a family member or friend to attend the workshop for free. Learn why being an early adopter can streamline your personal and job-related workflow, boost productivity, and improve communication. From drafting emails, writing entire books, to brainstorming ideas, ChatGPT will become your go-to tool for just about everything. We'll cover the basics, from downloading it to your computer and phone, using it effectively, and integrating it into daily life. Plus, live demos and a Q&A session will ensure you understand everything that's presented. This is more than just another Zoom meeting, it's an interactive experience. Attend, participate, and leave with practical skills and free consulting for 7 days if you need it. Don't miss out on today's intelligence revolution. Spaces are limited for personal attention. Send an email to Richard at techtutorusa.com. That's Richard at techtutorusa.com. Or call or text him directly at 630-642-6500 for dates and times of upcoming workshops. Let's get you up to speed with using AI and ChatGPT in this life-changing workshop.